Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is dedicated to learning Python for data science. Or rather, this playlist is dedicated to learning Python for data science, and the whole YouTube channel is dedicated to learning data science from scratch. Today we're going to be looking at optional arguments in Python. In the previous video we talked about return values. And you can see over here the Python function here has two parameters. Now with optional arguments, we're trying to handle a flexible way to look at functions. So here is a flexible way to handle functions. So what's this about? Now functions might receive varying numbers of arguments, but sometimes some of these arguments require the caller to provide some arguments, and some arguments or parameters don't exist. So how do you deal with that, right? So scenario where some arguments don't exist. Yes, don't exist, or n/a, they're not available, right? So what's a way to do this? So that's what we're going to do. So there are so many scenarios, but the reality is optional arguments are beneficial. They are beneficial. So let's just head out to writing code. So here we are. So here's the code. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a function. So again, we use a def keyword. Now we're going to create a user profile. So we're going to just call this user underscore profile, which is which is the function name. Then we have the parentheses, and inside the parentheses we're going to have our parameters. Now we're going to have name. Then we are going to introduce age, and age we are going to give it a default. We're going to give it a default argument for none as its default value. So we're going to have this here. I'm going to say none, right? Then we're going to have location, and then the argument for location we're going to put it as unknown. Right, so that's all we have. So we're going to use this to set up the whole idea. Now inside our block of code, we are going to have create a profile, and inside this profile we're going to have a dictionary, and this dictionary is going to have key value pairs, right? So the first one is going to be our name, and name is going to basically have name. You can see that already. It's going to have name. Then the next we're going to have is age, and of course we're going to refer to the age we already have, and then the final one is going to be the location. And of course we are going to refer to our location. Right, so that's that, and then we have our return value, and our return value is just going to tell us what we're going to return is the profile. So that's what we have, and this is our function. Now the first thing is we're going to call our first function, and we're going to call with all arguments. We're going to call it with all arguments. Right, so now the first one is our first profile. We're going to call this profile underscore 1, and inside we're going to say our user profile is going to have first, it's going to have my name Pablo, it's going to have age 30, and it's going to have location Kaduna. right? See that? Then so think about what happens when I print the profile one, and it works. It's name, age, location. Right, now we're going to go to our next profile, and this time we're going to call with only name, right? So here, call with only the name. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to call this profile 2, and in here, I'm going to have my user profile, and I'm just going to say, look, it's just Pablo, right? And because it's just Pablo, so here I'm going to print profile 2, and boom, it's Pablo, age none, location unknown. And finally, we're going to call with name and location, and location, right? And so I'm going to call this profile 3. And so in profile 3, I'm going to have my user profile, which is my function, and inside I'm just going to say Pablo. Then I'm just going to, I would not put age there, and I'm just going to put location. So what I'm going to put, but now look at what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put location, but this time I am going to determine what the location is. So yes, I might just change my location this time and just say Lagos, right? And so with this, I print profile 3, and so you can see name Pablo, age none, location Lagos. So it's really critical for you to understand using optional arguments, because it's not all the time that you have the parameters, or for the parameters are known. Some parameters are unknown, so when making arguments it's pretty difficult. So yeah, and so yeah, there are very many practical use cases, especially when you're doing data analysis and you're trying to extract data. You probably don't have all the values for the maybe the data you're trying to extract, or you're trying to reach out, make a function that has settings, and well, not all parameters have standard values. So yeah, so that's it. Again, take your time, read optional arguments in Python. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please check out the initial videos and tutorials on introduction to Python that we've been doing for a bit. And then so you could get a context for what this is. Like, share, and subscribe.